Someone
else can answer too, you know. I don't have to all answer.
It's fine to say. Anybody else?
I'm saying I'm fine with them. And that's Prof. Component. Lucky enough today I attended class. It means that I'm part of the academic project. In the class that I came from, it was public economics. We then learned two things today. We learned about the two welfare functions, efficiency and equity. One of them was the Pareto criteria. The other one was the NOSIX. What then has been said about these two is that there are times where when we wanted to solve a particular issue like hunger on campus, there should be a group that will need to serve. The other one, they say, in order to address a particular issue, you will need to keep both sides on the same level, which seems to be very impossible in the current juncture that we're at, because we're not at the same level, all of us, we're not starting from the same levels. So what I learned from that class that I can take to this particular debate is that in order for us to fight the issue of hunger in our campus, we also need to review partly our systems. How do our systems work? I won't be happy as an economics student to continuously channel everything to NSFAS, because NSFAS is a loan, and we don't want to have a lot of graduates that are going at the end of the day to go to the world and not save, but spend on their, and service their debts. So I wouldn't spend much of the argument on that, but I can spend it on some other time. The argument that I want to raise is the review of our work study program in the institution, on how can it also be used and be channeled to fight this particular situation that we find ourselves faced with. Secondly, it's a situation that I've just learned when I was rereading President Mbegi's memorial lecture in the Mandela Fort Memorial Lecture, when he spoke about capitalism and solidarity, that we will need to bring on board the vendors that are on our campus, and our contracts that the tendering committee draws for this, or our procurement, the tendering committee that they draw for this particular contract should also speak to a certain extent on the level of addressing the social challenges that our students are faced. We cannot every year in and year out channel a lot of funds maybe to a transport service, but the transport service in return does little in addressing some of the social challenges that are faced with our students. So I think we need a system whereby we are going to change our system to be accommodative of a developmental role of our vendors, the developmental role of the same work study program, rather than to continuously focus only on NSFAS, which is going to be a burden to our economy and a burden to the student when they graduate.
Thank you. I think perhaps if we reconceptualize this first.